Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you to make this really cool origami birthday cake. And this is really simple to make. And on this side it is a box. And believe it or not, today is actually my 21st birthday. I just turned 21. And in this video I'm going to show you to make this origami cake. And let's get started. Okay, so for this cake I'm going to use a square sheet of kami that's 6 by 6 inches. But you could use any size and just about any type of paper for this. So, we're going to begin with the white side facing up. So it'll be a chocolate cake with vanilla icing. And we're going to fold in half. Okay, unfold. Rotate so this crease is vertical. And fold in half the other way. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to fold the 4 corners to the center. Okay, now we're going to unfold. And now we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it to there. Alright, and now fold this up like this. And we're going to do that 3 more times. So fold up to the intersection. And then fold up like this. Oh, forgot to fold this one in. And this is what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to turn over. And now we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the crease. Okay, unfold, and we're going to do that 3 more times. So rotate 90 degrees and fold this edge to the crease. Alright, and repeat. Okay. Now, unfold. And now what we're going to do is we're going to form the box. And there's 2 ways you can actually do it, so the first way, which is probably a little bit easier, you can turn over on this side, or actually no, keep it on this side, and take this corner and fold it to here. This is method number 1. Okay? And then now turn over on this side and take these 2 points and bring them together. Like this. And then fold this corner all the way down to the bottom, and we're folding on that little existing crease. So this is the simple box method. See? And that's one way to do it right there. But there's another way that I actually like way better. And I like this method because you don't really see any flaps in there. Whereas this method, there's kind of a flap in the way of the box. See? So I'm going to show you a much better method. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring these 2 creases, we're going to bring them to the center. So let's do one at a time here. So it's like this. Okay? Like that. And same here too. Personally, I prefer this method because it makes it cleaner. And there's no flaps inside. Okay. And now take this corner and fold it down right over the edge. And then pinch it like this so it stays. And there it is, the lock. So that's the lock number 2. Okay, And that's the lock I prefer, like I said. Alright, and we're going to do that 3 more times. So I'll show you again on this one, then I'll fast forward the other 2. So we're just taking these 2 creases, and we're bringing them to the middle. This is a little bit harder than the other method, but it makes it look better, in my opinion. So we made those 2 folds like this, and then now fold this flap over the edge, and then pinch it so it stays. Alright, and I do the same thing with these 2 corners, and I'll see you when I'm done. Alright, and once you did that, believe it or not, your origami cake is all done. So it's a nice, delicious, square chocolate cake, and it's really clean, and it's really simple to make. And yeah, it can be a box. Put stuff inside. Hope you guys enjoyed this origami cake, and were able to follow this video, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, wish me a happy 21st birthday.